So like I previously said, the last couple of videos I've started working through the magazines again. In this week's video I'm working on issue 81. And in the issues you get quite a few different instructions for different parts. You get obviously the mizzen, top mast and the top gallant yard. Well, this is a section I'm interested in this time, and that's assembling the booms. So I've just brought over the plans for the mizzen mast, and obviously in these plans as well they included the drawings for the driver boom and the driver gaff. So I'm just going to take a bit of this actually dowel that I bought myself. I think it's actually slightly better quality than the dowel we get in the kit. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it on the plan, and I'm just going to cut it oversized. Just brought it back over the plans. And now I just need to start obviously marking out positions where the taper starts to happen. Just take it off the lathe and make sure I've got enough room on this one. Yeah, just about. So yeah, so this is going to need tapering down to 3mm and then 2mm around the tip. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do that. I'm not going to record that. You've seen me taper mast many times in the mini lathe. So I've just tapered the mast down to 3mm at the end, and I've also tapered the end ready to take the boom jaws. And I just used that on the mini lathe with the drum sander attachment, and that was quite nice just to offer it on either side and sand it off. But obviously while I was taping this, obviously I needed to tape the last bit down to 2mm, but it snapped off, and that happens sometimes. So yeah, so it's no need to worry. I've broke one before, so the best thing to do is obviously just find the centre. And just right in the centre, just drill a little hole at 1mm. And then just keep working up in drill sizes until you've drilled out a 2mm hole. So after you've drilled your hole up to 2mm, what you can do is just take a cocktail stick, cut your length, and you can just glue that into place. And that's got, obviously the cocktail stick's 2mm, so it's pretty much the distance you would have got if you'd have turned that down to 2mm in any case. Yeah, so that's just a quick solution. So now we've gone back to the drawing. I'm just putting the boom onto the plans. I'm marking the position for the rigging bracket. So after all the fittings have been drying on the boom for the last half an hour, now it's time to paint it. Like I've done before, I'm just taking some obviously Admiralty paints to some dull black. Just going to put a few drops. And this has been my first coat. I always water it down to about a mixture of 50-50, 50% water, 50% paint. And I'll just paint it in. normally very straight, equal strokes of the brush. And normally, by the time you get to painting the end, this end will be dried enough. You can just hold it and just finish off the last bit. So I'll just leave that to dry half an hour. Give it a second coat and then we'll come back and start adding some rigging blocks. So the boom's fully dry now, so now it's time to start adding some blocks. First of all, I'm just going to add a double block and just tie it off with some 0.5 brown thread and just tie it off a little bit around with some 0.5 natural thread. I'm just going to seal the ends. So I'm going to add a couple of single blocks to the end of the boom. And on the instruction it tells you to leave a 50mm tail. So what I've done, obviously I've just got the end of the block, just lined it up. I'm just counting the squares. These are 10mm squares, so I'm just going to mark a little pencil mark at 50mm. Just so I can get obviously very accurate 50mm. I'm just going to drop a little bit of super glue on the end of the boom. And I'm just going to drop this where I've made that pencil mark, just on the boom. I'm just going to leave it. So what I'm going to do now is just cut it to length. And I'm just going to tie this into a little knot. And just seal the thread. A little drop more for super glue. Okay, just do the same on the other side. So I'll just turn the boom over. I'm just going to do exactly the same. Where the pencil mark is, just drop it onto that super glue. Let it glue to your fingers. That's it. Same again. As you can see already, they're hanging pretty much at the same length. So just like we tied off the first one. Make sure that one's out of the way. And that's the second one tied off. Just seal the ends and then just trim off the excess. So just bringing the instructions back across to have a look at any more steps into the driver boom. And obviously up to step 11, that's complete. And that's the first and only driver boom complete. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.